Every summer you see the same scene. A moth slamming itself into a lamp or porch light over and over until it gives up or burns out. The heat doesn't stop it. The impact doesn't stop it. It's like the light hypnotizes them. Sad for the moth, but scientifically way more interesting. Humans have known for centuries that insects are drawn to light. Even ancient writers described moths dying in flames. This attraction has a name: phototaxis, movement toward or away from light. But why does it happen? There's no single answer, but scientists have a few fascinating theories. Theory 1. The moon navigation hypothesis. One idea is that moths evolved to navigate by the moon. Before artificial lights existed, the moon was the brightest object in the night sky. By keeping its light at a constant angle, insects could fly in a straight line. But when a moth mistakes a lamp for the moon, everything breaks. A lamp is close, so instead of a straight path, the moth ends up spiraling inward. This explains the circling behavior, sometimes. But here's the flaw. Moths don't always fly in neat circles. Often they just smash directly into the bulb like tiny confused meteors. Theory 2. Light equals open space. Soviet entomologist Georgy Mazakhin-Porshnikov suggested something different. To a moth, light means open sky. You've probably seen butterflies slam into windows trying to reach sunlight. Same idea here. When a lamp turns on, everything around it becomes dark by comparison. The moth interprets that darkness as a closed space, and the bright spot as the only exit. So it flies toward the escape and hits the glass. Theory 3. The Mach band illusion. This one is the strangest, and maybe the smartest. According to this hypothesis, moths aren't trying to reach the light at all. They're trying to fly away from it. At the boundary between light and shadow, the shadow appears darker than it really is because of a visual illusion called the Mach band effect. Humans experience it too. To a moth, that darker-than-dark edge looks like the safest direction. But as it tries to reach that darkest zone, it ends up crossing back into the bright area and gets pulled toward the lamp again. So moths aren't clueless. Their visual system is just being tricked. In reality, they probably have several overlapping instincts that all misfire around artificial lights. And that's why they keep crashing into lamps, porch lights, and streetlights every summer night. And that's baby science for you.